All right, this is the homework help video, Math 1 for Thursday night. The first problem says compare the slopes of f of x, which is the equation. F of x is the same as saying y is equal to a negative 2x plus 3. Okay? The slope for this equation is negative 2. Now you're comparing the slope of the chart or the graph. G of x is the same as saying y. So we're going to find the slope. Formula for calculating slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It didn't tell you what 2 points to use, so you can use any 2 points you want. We're going to use the first two. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So here on the top, you have negative 2 minus a negative 8. And on the bottom, you have 4 minus 2. So this is plus a positive, which is going to give you 6. And this is 2. So this is going to be equal to 3. So the slope of this is 3. Okay? Now, what is the positive difference between the two slopes? What's the difference between the two? So from negative 2 on the number line to a positive 3. So negative 2 is here. That's 1, 2 away from 0. And then positive 3 is 3 away from 0. So it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. Okay? So our answer is going to be 5. The difference between the two is 5. It's 5 spaces away from each other. So our answer here is going to be 5. Okay? Gregory teaches martial arts. He charges a one-time processing fee of $5, and the cost of the classes is shown below. Let X represent the number of classes and Y represent the cost of classes. So number of classes, cost of the class. Okay? Based on the information, what will it cost to take 10 classes? So you're writing a linear equation. You want to know, after you write the linear equation, you just substitute 10 in for X and solve for Y because you want to know the total cost of classes. You're taking 10 classes, 10 is going to be X, and you're looking for Y. So let's find the slope first. We can use these 2 points. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember, when you're writing an equation, you need to find the slope first, and then you find the y-intercept. So on the top, y2 minus y1, this is the second point. This is x1. I'm sorry, this first point, x1, y1, x2, y2. So on the top, it's 27 minus 15, and on the bottom, it's 2 minus 1. So 27 minus 15 is going to be 12. And then this is 2. So this is going to be 6 here. So your slope is 6. So what's the starting amount? Go backwards, 6. When you subtract by 6, that's going to give you 9. Okay, so to find the zero number, work backwards, that's going to be $9. Because it's going up by 3 here. So then it's going to, 6, sorry. It's going up by 6 here. See, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 21, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wait. It is not going up by 6. What did I messed up, didn't I? What did you do? Hold on. It's right here. So let's look. I did 27 and then minus 15, and I got 12. And And then I got, oh, 1. How did I do that? I don't know. So it's 12. No clue. How I did that, I don't know. So it's going up. It's going up by 12. Okay? So that means roll backwards by 12, and that's going to be 3. Okay? So my equation is y is equal to 12x, and you're working backwards. This is going to be plus 3. You're going to substitute 10 classes. So it's 12 times 10 classes plus 3. So we got 12 times 10 classes, which is 120 plus 3, which gives you, oh, thank you. Yay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. And this is 123. Okay. So 123 is A. All right. Number 10, it says Jeremy, it is Jeremy. Okay. It's a different way to spell it. Is going to deposit an equal amount of money into the checking account each month until he has saved $2,000. The amount of money Y is the total amount of money, in the account after X months can be modeled by this equation here. So this is my slope. Every month you're adding $35. You didn't start off with anything because there's no B right here. Okay? So what is true about the slope? Remember, your slope is your y's on top and your x's on the bottom. So this is 35 over 1. So it's going to be 35, which is the total amount of money. See, amount of money, $35 over 1 month. So that means you're adding $35 for every single month. So let's read the choices. A, the amount of money deposit monthly. That's true. Okay, 35 that you deposit every month. So this is possible. The amount of money original. No, that would be the starting amount. That would be your B. So no, that's not M. That's B. That's not slope. The number of months. No, that it earns. No. That's not it. The number of months it would take to reach. No. No, that's not it either. Your slope is the money deposited per month. $35 per month. Okay. 11. Find the range of the function. Find the range of the function represented by the graph. So the range, remember your range is your y. Those are your y values. Domain is x, but range is y. So let's look at your range. Your line goes on the y-axis, it goes from -4, and your line stops up here at +6. So it goes from -4 to +6. So from -4 to +6, that's the range. Okay. The equation represents, so if I wanted to write this as an inequality, I could put y in the middle and -4 over here and +6 over here. So it's less than equal to, less than equal to. Okay. So that's how I write the inequality from -4 to -6. Okay. Write the equation that represents the line that passes through this point. So again, you have to find the slope. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So find the slope first. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And on the top, you're going to get 6 minus 2. And on the bottom, you're going to get -9 minus the 3. And so here, this gives you 4 on the top, and this gives you a -9, 10, 11, 12 on the bottom. So when I reduce this, this is 1/3. So your M is equal to 1/3. Okay? All right, so now you find B. So when you find B, you use y equals mx plus b, and you substitute, pick one of the points. I'm going to choose this one. It's the easiest. So this is going to be my x, this is going to be my y. So I put 2 here for y. M is, what is that, 1/3? Times your x is 3. So I'm making it into a fraction, put 3 over 1 plus b. So when I multiply straight across, this is 3 over 3, which is 1. So this is going to be 2 is equal to 1 plus b. I subtract 1 on both sides. 2 minus 1 gives me 1. So b is 1. So my equation then is going to be y is equal to 1/3 x plus 1. Okay, so 3 steps. Find your slope, find your y-intercept, and then substitute your m and your b into the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Okay, and this wasn't too bad this week, all right? Please make sure that you study.